The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, anticipated for release in early 2026, is poised to be Samsung's most advanced flagship smartphone. It is rumored to feature a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 144Hz refresh rate, offering vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. Under the hood, it is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage, ensuring seamless performance and ample space for apps and media. The camera system is set to include a 200MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, a 50MP periscope telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom, and a 12MP macro lens, enabling high-quality photography and 8K video recording. For selfies, a 32MP front camera is anticipated. The device is also expected to house a 5,500 mAh battery with 45W wired charging support, ensuring long-lasting usage and quick recharging. Running on Android 16 with One UI 8.0, the S26 Ultra is likely to offer enhanced software features and a refined user experience. Design-wise, it may sport a titanium frame and Gorilla Glass Armor 2 for durability, along with an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Connectivity options are expected to include 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC. The S Pen, a signature feature of the Ultra series, might be redesigned to attach magnetically to the side of the device, freeing up internal space for a larger battery. Pricing is speculated to start at $1,499 for the base model.